guys, just want to upload or talk about a little issue that's going on now on YouTube as of last night. Apparently YouTube has decided now that any channels less than 1,000 subscribers and I think 4,000 watch hours, view hours, that they're no longer going to be able to monetize videos. So yeah, any channels that have less than 1,000 subscribers, basically, if you're in the YouTube Partner Program, you're terminated. Terminated as of February 20th, 2018. Now, there's some creators out there that, probably have one channel, smaller channels, probably only got the one channel running. And then there's other creators like myself that has 4 YouTube channels. And unfortunately, all 4 of my YouTube channels are now affected by this decision that YouTube has decided to make. And before I went to work today, there was a bunch of people, creators already uploading videos regarding this same problem. And I have to say there's a pretty good outcry of individuals that are not too pleased with YouTube at the moment. So basically, if you have a small channel, less than 1,000 subscribers, YouTube don't want you. Basically, that's what it means. And I don't know about you, but YouTube is after making a lot of changes over the last few years. And I've been on YouTube since, 2010 at least. So I've been on YouTube 8 years, I suppose, 8 or 9 years. And I've seen a lot of changes from YouTube. Most of it, some of it's for the better. Some of it's just completely messed up everything, and, they pissed off a lot of people. So yeah, I just got this moment that I figured I'd just sit here and have a chat. I'm on the way to a job at the moment. I got an hour and a half to kill, so I said, why not? So I just had to turn the camera on and have a yarn with you about this problem with YouTube. And so, I don't know, look it up. Look up YouTube monetization, search for it, and you'll see a number of YouTube creators that have spoke out against YouTube and this new rules, I guess, that they now have in place for the YouTube Partnership Program. I mean, for the most part, YouTube, YouTube has come a long way. There's no doubt about it. They've made a lot of changes that has been for the better, and YouTube has also made a lot of changes that, quite frankly, have pissed off a lot of people. So it kind of makes me wonder if it's even worth bothering with YouTube anymore. I'm sure there'll be a lot of smaller YouTube creators that'll probably end up leaving YouTube over this. And quite frankly, I'm thinking the same thing. I'm going to be uploading this video here over my 4 of my channels. And so basically, if YouTube wants to keep going the way it's going, they're going to have a war on their hands, because it's the little guys like us that make YouTube what it is. So for instance, how many videos in a run of a week, do we watch? How many individual videos do we watch in a run of a week? I know I spend a great deal of time watching YouTube videos. To be honest with you, I watch more YouTube than I do television. And quite frankly, if I was to add up how much television that I watch in a run of a week, I'd say that it'd be less than maybe 1 hour. 1 hour time, 1 hour for the time that I spend in front of a television. Most of that's just watching local news. And the vast majority of what I watch is on YouTube. So I mean, if YouTube is punishing the little channels, well, they're also punishing the individuals that make the bigger channels what they are. It is us that are giving the bigger channels the views. You know what I mean? So why YouTube wants to penalize us little guys is beyond me. It just don't make no sense. So basically, they've given us an ultimatum, us YouTube partners. We have 30 days, basically, to gain 1,000 subscribers. The only two channels the only channel really that comes close to that is my metal detecting channel, Digging Rock Metal Detecting. I have 893 subscribers on that channel, or this channel, I suppose, depending how you watch the video. But I need another 100 subscribers, and I mean to make 100 subscribers in less than 30 days. It's completely, utterly unrealistic of YouTube to put that on you. So I guess that puts me right back to my original statement. Should we or should we not, or should I not stay on YouTube? Right now, I mean, sure, we can make $3 or $4 a month, on ad revenue. I mean, really, what's that? Nothing. But still, that's $3 or $4 or $5 that I can spend on my YouTube channel trying to make it better. It's just, you don't look at it like that. With the YouTube revenue I've made, well, I got 3 sets of transistors, and I got 20 odd circuit boards coming. I mean, I bought this stuff on eBay from ad revenue that I made on YouTube. So I don't quite get YouTube why they decided to penalize the smaller channels, small guys like myself. Don't make sense, but that is what they've decided to do. So I don't know what you guys think about YouTube's move right now. There's a lot of people out there that's upset about it, and rightly so. Like I say, some creators only have the one channel to worry about, and there's other creators like myself that has more than one channel. In my case, I have 4 of them. So right now, I'm losing out on four channels. So that's four points of income that I'm going to lose because of YouTube's pathetic idea. So they say they're talking about about safeguarding the YouTube partnership and all of this. Well, you know something? There's a YouTuber that is all over the news, all over YouTube, and basically it's this individual decided to take a trip over to Japan and do some vlogging over there. Well, they decided to go to Suicide Forest, I believe is what they call it over there, and they decided to do a video about a dead guy that was already hung himself previously that day. He's lost 18 days in revenue, so I've been told or read. Because of it, there's been a lot of backlash about it. his video on that was actually monetized for a short amount of time, apparently. The video's now been taken down, but all this stems. A lot of people believe that this stems from that chap that was over in Japan and done that vlog of that poor man that decided to commit suicide, hung himself on a tree in Suicide Forest in Japan. I mean, myself, yes, I'm, upset that YouTube decided to dump the YouTube partnership program with the smaller channels. And I mean dump them, I mean terminate. They have terminated the partnership, which is not very good. It's going to be interesting to see what my network has to say about it. But there's probably not much they can do about it either, to be honest with you, but it'll be interesting. So, I don't know where this leaves me on YouTube. I have been thinking about probably going on to another platform, remove my presence from YouTube altogether, and start over new on a new platform. Then, of course, there's the other thing that I can just stay on YouTube and keep trucking along as if nothing happened, say nothing, just continue on as if we're normal, and try to approach the 1,000 subscriber mark and 4,000 hours worth of views. And I believe they're looking for 4,000 hours, views for each month. And I don't know about you, that's a lot of views in 1 month, and I don't know, I think they're cracked myself. I think YouTube is completely mental if they expect people to be able to do that. So yeah, I believe YouTube has went too far with this idea of theirs, and I do believe that us smaller creators should fight back. I'm not exactly sure how we can do that, other than unsubscribing from the larger channels, stop watching, stop viewing the bigger channels, stop clicking on their ads, basically ignore the larger channels and focus our interests on us smaller guys. And basically by doing that, you're hitting YouTube where it hurts. So I mean, if YouTube got no viewers, then the bigger channels, or any channel for that matter, won't be able to grow. And if they can't grow, YouTube can't grow. They can't make money, advertisers get cranky. So yeah, us smaller channels can certainly fight back. There's ways we can do it, and I think it's time that happens. So I started another YouTube channel there a few months ago. I'm not going to bother with the name of it quite yet. I think I'm going to change it. But that channel, I'm going to start doing some vlogs. I believe that's what I'm going to start doing, do some vlogs on current events and, stuff going on YouTube and stuff that, trending and all that kind of foolishness. Just to see where that leads. I mean, the hardest thing with making a YouTube channel is trying to figure out what people want. What do they want to watch? I mean, I got four YouTube channels, and they all got their own different topics, and it's hard to get them channels to grow. So, what do? Do I combine all 4 channels into one channel? If that's what I got to do, then that's what I'll do. But I don't know. I'd like to hear what you guys got to say. So if you don't mind, post your comments below on the comment section there.